everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Google account on PC. To create the Google account, you need to open Chrome browser on your device. Once you open it, you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. If you already have a Google account like I do, then your profile will show up like this. Now to create a new account, click on Add Account option and you will be led to this kind of interface. You can see the Create Account option here. Click on that option and you need to choose what you're going to use this Google account for. I'm going to select for my personal use. Now on next page, enter your first name in this box. And the surname is optional, so you can choose to ignore it. Now click on next. On this page here, you have to provide your date of birth. After this, select your gender. Click on next. Now pick up a Gmail address for your account. Or you may create your own Gmail address by clicking on this. Enter the Gmail address that you want to use in this box. Then click on next. After this, you have to create a strong password. Then enter the same password again for confirmation. You may also click on this option, Show Password, to reveal the password and make sure that you have entered it correct. Now click on Next. Now here you will be asked to add a recovery email address. You can click on this option if you want to skip this, or you may provide the email address and proceed further. I'm going to skip this as of now. And here you can see the preview of your new Google account. Now click on Next. Next we are on Privacy and Terms page. So scroll down and you may go through all this information once. Then click on I agree option. And that's it, your new Google account will be created. Now you can set up your new Google account by customizing your settings and preferences. So this is how you can create a Google account on PC. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.